What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to Mike's Tech Talk. Today we have the unboxing or re-unboxing of my new laptop, the Razer Blade 15.6 inch. Now this is the Core i7 8th generation model with the NVIDIA GTX 1060 graphics card and 16 gigs of RAM, along with a 512 gigabyte SSD. Got this from Best Buy today. As you can see, the box was already open. This is an open box item. Someone returned it for whatever reason, but I was able to pick it up for a fraction of the normal price of it. Has everything inside of it already. No missing accessories. As you can see, we got the box with the power adapter. Now this is a 200-watt power adapter that you'll get. Now it is a proprietary connection, so you won't be able to use USB-C or any type of other normal laptop connection for the device, but when you have a laptop this powerful, you're going to need the best you can get. Now opening up the box for the device, we'll see that inside of the box you get the laptop itself. Now I had a little bit of trouble trying to figure out how to get this out, so there is no tab or anything for it. You gotta kind of just wing it. But once you get the device out, you get a little look of the device and you see how slim it is. Really nice design, all aluminum. And then we have a few books on the inside with a few Razer decals and some other instructions inside. And that's pretty much it. Now let's take a look around the laptop. So looking at the top of the unit, you see the Razer logo with the three-headed snake. You see the cornered edges of the all aluminum body. On the left side, you have two USB-A ports and the headphone jack along with the power port. On the right side, you have another USB-A port along with a mini HDMI port, a Kensington lock port. Just looking over the top again, you do have an all aluminum body. The Razer head logo does light up. We'll see that here in a second. And also you do have the RGB keyboard along with that 144 hertz display. Now that is a bezel-less display. I believe that is 85% screen to body ratio. Now the colors do change in different ways. We'll go over that later on in the video to show you guys all the different formats that you can use. The keyboard is very nice. It sits very flush. It's almost similar to a Mac keyboard in its travel. It's a very good keyboard, one of the better ones that I've used in a while. Definitely easy and comfortable to type on. And there's that glowing Razer logo on the back. Now let's take a look at some gameplay. So I got Counter-Strike Global Offensive loaded up. Now this is available on Steam. It's a free game. See, I'm getting owned already. Just started the game and I'm getting owned. I got to get my feet wet. So, well, I'm gonna come back. But let's take a listen to see how the audio sounds, and let's take a look at that display. See that 144 hertz display in action. Now I will say this is stock straight out. I have not updated anything as far as the display. I have not activated anything as far as the gaming mode on the laptop. This is just downloaded and clicked and started playing. So let's take a listen to see how it is. So let's take a look at some of the things that you get with the Razer Synapse program. All right, so here we got the Razer Blade Synapse, which gives you a little bit of details over all the things that you can do with the Razer. Now, this is my device over here. You got macros, beta feedback, you got the Razer Game Store, Vault, Razer Store, all compatible devices, and I can register the product for the warranty. We'll be doing that after the video. Then you got here the module for the chroma. Now this is what gives you your layout for the keyboard. Now right now you see the keyboard is flowing between a different color. It's going to a red color right now. If you look down, you can't really see the keys changing that much, but I'll tell you what we'll do. Let's cut these lights out. Let's see if we can't get a better you can see at the bottom that the lights are flowing in the different colors the same way that they are on the screen. Now you do have different effects over here. You have a breathing effect, you have a fire, reactive, ripple, spectrum, starlight, static, and wave. Excuse me. So if you click reactive, they kind of have a, you can see, you can customize the variation for each light, or you can customize all of the lights. So we can make the spectrum faster. We can go fire. So let's do all of those again, and we'll go, let's do a orange color for fire. And we'll do the bottom, another different color. We'll save it. So now you see the keys are all changing colors at the bottom. So gives you a lot of different options when it comes to the RGB lighting of the unit. And can't forget to turn around and show off that beautiful Razer logo. All right, guys, so that's pretty much it. This is the Razer Blade 15.6 inch. So I hope you guys liked the video, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. I'm finna go kill some bad guys. Maybe not.